Hi students, in this video I am going to explain you the rest of the problems of inverse trigonometric function exercise 2.2 from 5 to 10. These 6 problems I will explain. These are little different because we need to substitute to get a comfortable value. The first question is tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. See, we need to substitute the value according to the situation. Why we substitute value actually? We substitute something in the place of x to avoid irrational terms usually. See why, when will that irrational term be removed or eliminated? See, when we saw 1 plus x square or x square plus 1, usually we can take x as a tan theta or cot theta. When it is 1 minus x square, we should take x as sin theta or cos theta. If it is x square minus 1, we should take x as secant theta or cosecant theta. Here it is 1 plus x square, I take x as tan theta. You can take it as cot theta also. Why? Because these are all totally dependent on the identities that you have learned in your 10th grade. Okay, now what happens to the problem? When x is tan theta, what is theta? Tan inverse x. Now this question becomes tan inverse of root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by tan theta. So tan inverse of 1 plus tan square is secant square theta. So it becomes secant theta minus 1 by tan theta. Now you can write this as tan inverse of secant theta can be taken as 1 by cos theta minus 1 by sin theta by cos theta. So tan inverse of cos theta 1 minus cos theta by sin theta by cos theta. Cos theta can be removed. Tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Then what is the value of 1 minus cos theta? See, in the denominator you can write it as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. According to the formula of multiples and support. Sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a. So sin a will be 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. And how this cos theta can be written? Using the formula cos 2a. So that we have 4 formulas of cos 2a. We use the one where 1 will get cancelled. So I take the one where 1 will get cancelled. 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. So 1 gets cancelled here. I'll rub this. I'll do here guys. Tan inverse of, it becomes 2 sin square theta by 2 by 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 gets cancelled, sin theta by 2 gets cancelled. It becomes tan inverse of tan theta by 2. That is nothing but theta by 2. So it is nothing but 1 by 2 theta. What is theta? It is tan inverse x. You should be good enough with all the formulas of your 11th grade, or otherwise you will be get stuck with this step. Understand? Be very careful guys. Right. Next problem. See, in this I told you when it is x square minus 1, you can take x as secant theta or cosecant theta. I take secant theta. Theta is secant inverse x. So it becomes tan inverse of 1 by root of secant square theta minus 1. So it becomes tan inverse of 1 by root of tan square theta. So it becomes tan inverse of 1 by tan theta. It becomes tan inverse of cot theta. You can't cancel. You can cancel if it is tan inverse of tan or cot inverse of cot. But what if it gets one as tan inverse and the other one is cot inside? Then we change inside value in terms of tan, like tan pi by 2 minus theta. Then tan inverse of tan gets cancelled, pi by 2 minus theta. What is theta? Secant inverse x. Pause the video, go through it carefully, okay? See, for this problem I told you, by using the formula of cos 2a, I write 1 minus cos as 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. What we do usually, we see that 1 gets eliminated and here I write 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Both are the formulas of cos A. These are from cos 2A formulas. 1 and 1 gets cancelled, 1 and 1 gets cancelled here. Tan inverse of root of 2 sin square x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2. 2 gets cancelled, tan inverse of root of tan square x by 2. It becomes tan inverse of tan x by 2, and it is nothing but x by 2. Okay? See, in this problem, it is outside it is in terms of tan inverse and inside it is in terms of cos and sin. We convert inside terms in terms of tan by dividing the whole numerator and denominator with cos x. Then what happens? Cos by cos is 1, sin by cos is tan, cos by cos is 1, sin by cos is again tan. Now you can convert this like tan inverse of, we have a formula like 1 minus tan A by 1 plus tan A is tan 45 minus A. You can apply tan A minus B formula. If it is 1 plus tan A by 1 minus tan A, you can take it as tan 45 plus A. Now it becomes tan 45 minus A or x here. So the answer tan inverse of tan, it gets cancelled. The answer is pi by 4 minus x. I told you when it is minus x square, we should replace with either sin theta or cos theta. But when something like a square is there, we take a sin theta. Your aim, ultimately your aim should be like to eliminate the root. When x is a sin theta, x by a is sin theta, then theta is sin inverse x by. The problem becomes tan inverse of it becomes a sin theta by root of a square minus a square sin square theta. It becomes tan inverse of a sin theta by root of a square. If I take common, 1 minus sin square is cos square theta. It becomes tan inverse of a sin theta by a cos theta. It becomes tan inverse of tan theta, that is theta. Theta is nothing but sin inverse x by a. Okay? Now for this problem we take x as a tan theta. Sir, how do you know that we have to take this only? Because it looks like, because I know the formula of tan 3 theta. So it looks like tan 3 theta when I substitute a tan theta. Let us see. Tan inverse of 3a square into a tan theta. It becomes a cube tan cube theta. Denominator is a cube minus 3a into a square tan square theta. If I take a cube common in numerator and also in denominator, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, a cube gets cancelled, and the inside term is nothing but it is tan 3 theta, and it is 3 theta, 3 because tan inverse and tan, what is theta? Tan inverse x by. These are very, very important problems, guys. Go through the video very carefully and slowly. Okay? Bye.